Hey everybody, it's Denise, just popping in real quick to let you know that this week I am changing up how I'm giving away my Amazon gift card. Instead of you hunting through the video for the code, what I want is for you to type and chitty chat with me in the live chat while we're premiering the video. And then what I'm going to do is use a randomizer to pull someone's name from the chat who has not won a gift card yet to win the Amazon gift card right here. So keep your messages open because I will message the winner. I'll put it in the chat who's won, but trying something a little different to give everybody a little more of an opportunity to win the Amazon gift card. So let's have a conversation and good luck. Hi everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique and welcome to my channel. Today I am reviewing my Walt Life box for you. This is my second month box. I don't know why it came in this plain box. When it first came, it had a cute blue box that said Walt Life all over it. So I'm not really sure if that's just a first month thing, but it's in a plain old brown box. So we're going to open it up and check it out. Now, just to remind you, this is not sponsored. I don't get a kickback for anything. I'm paying for this out of my own pocket, so I can say what I want about it, and if I don't like it, I don't like it. So I'm just opening it up. The Walt Life box is $54.99 a month that I pay for. I was able to select that I'm a female 18 years and older and a princess. Like, it asks you if you're a prince or a princess. Oh, okay. So inside is the blue box. So this is what happened. Okay, great. So in the boxes it says collect all 8 Walt Life coins and win a trip for 2 to Disney World. So I got a coin, and in my first box I got a coin. So I got 2 out of 8. I guess that's good. So here's the blue box. This is what it looks like. Bring on the adventure. And then on the back it says dreams do come true, and it's got the Walt Disney World castle over here. So let's go ahead and open it up. It comes with all this white froofy stuff, so that gets everywhere. Okay, first and foremost, we have a mini hat, a mini ball cap. It's embroidered with, like, I think a screen print. I don't wear hats, so maybe I'll give this away. I don't know. That's cute. I mean, if you buy a hat in a park, I think it's like $24. Oh boy. What's popular with everybody right now? Scrunchies. And I'll be honest, I probably will use these because I wear them to bed and they don't crinkle my hair as much as regular hair ties. These are the Disney Tangled scrunchies. So there's this pink one, this green one, and then the yellow one has the sunburst on it from the movie. Okay, this says $9.90. So you're not, with this box, you're not getting like a ton of value because Disney product is very expensive. I got another shot glass. I got a shot glass last month, and it's Minnie Mouse for 2020. Okay, I like it because it's got the bows on it, so that's cute. We can put that up there. All right, that sits up there. And then it must have been a mini theme for the most part. Oh, this is cute. It's a luggage tag. I do plan on going to Disney in 2021, so I will put this on my luggage. That's cute. I like that. Okay, there's one more thing. Hold on. Let me just, yep. It always tells you to, like, snap a picture with your box and share and stuff like that. I hate this white crinkle paper. It just flippin' gets everywhere, and it's a pain in the you-know-what to clean up. Okay, so what is this? This is something that fell out. What is this? It says, go green. Oh, great shopping and helper. Oh, this is cute. It's a just reusable bag. So it comes with a little pouch, and that's cute. It's got a little, like, mini plastic carabiner on there to snap it. Open it up. Oh, hold on, it's protected. Where's my skizzers? Let me cut it. The tag off. Okay, so pull it out. There's the holder. I will probably never be able to get it back in that little pouch again. Oh, I see glitter. Come on. It's Tinkerbell and it's glittery. That's cute. I mean, if you were going to the parks, you know, that would be cute to hang on to. Like, you can throw your stuff in there when you're going on a ride or you're going shopping in Disney Springs. Or this is a great Aldi bag, not gonna lie. So when Aldi starts letting you bring reusable bags back, I can use my Tinkerbell bag. So that's cute. And this back in here, not gonna happen, Denise. Not at all. So that was my second month of my Walt Disney, Walt Life. My Walt Life box. I guess I feel like meh about it. Like 2 months in a row, I got a shot glass. I don't want shot glasses. The first month I got another keychain that was like this rubbery material. I do like that this is a luggage tag, so I'll use that. And I will use these scrunchies. I'm just not thrilled about the hat because I don't wear it. But here's the thing. It's a mystery box, so you don't know what you're getting inside of it. Have you ever subscribed to Walt Life? If so, what did you think of it? Did you like it? Did you think it was worth the money? Please leave me a comment below. I love to hear from you guys and appreciate everyone's opinions. So I am going to give the Walt Life a couple more shots. I mean, it is a little expensive. It's the most expensive subscription box that I have at the $54.99 mark. And I know it's because Disney products are more. So this month I'm just kind of, the first month was good. This month, So I'm going to continue it for the next couple months and see how it goes. If it gets to the point where it's like shot glass, keychain, hat, I'm probably going to cancel it. But it's only 2 months and I'm not overly disappointed. I'm just, and that's okay. That's what you never know what you're going to get in a surprise box. I hope you have enjoyed my Walt Life second month video. And there will be more to come. I'll let you know in another video if I continue or if I cancel it. We'll see. I got to give it a fair shot. And if you aren't following me on social media, make sure you do. Everything is linked in the description box below. And again, hit that bell notification and that subscribe so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video. I hope you enjoyed this. It's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.